Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is a family outing. Okay, so on my birthday, that was May 7th. Okay, so we couldn't go out to celebrate my birthday because that day was Wednesday. The kids went to school. Then on Sunday we decided to go out with the whole family, my husband, I and the kids. So this place now, you can see that we are on our way going out. First of all, we wanted to go to ShopRite first to go and get some things, look around and see what they have. But unfortunately, when we got there, the place was locked. Maybe they have another door, another place, but it was locked because they were innovating it as at that time. So we now went to another place now. This place is KFC. Is it KFC? Yeah. so just watch and enjoy the rest of the video, okay? So guys, the video you're about to watch now is video of I and the kids. So we're playing games, so I'm going to allow you to listen to us and enjoy the game, okay? Don't eat, oh. Don't eat. Where is Chimobi's?
Mommy, I want to throw this thing.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah. So guys, in this game today, see, this is 1,000 naira. So anybody that first finish, see, if don't break it. Anybody that first finish his or her biscuits, we win this 1,000. How much is this? 1,000. 1,000. You know how much is this? So anybody that first finish his biscuit, his or her biscuit, will win this. See, maybe I started it. 1, 2, 3, go. You should start eating. If you first finish, I give you the money.
I'm eating.
Yes, start. Mama, eat. If you first finish, continue now, you're not done. If you first finish, you open your mouth, I see. Mama, shift so the camera will be sit down very well. Guys, sit down. It's still in your mouth. You finish it. When you finish, I see your mouth. Mama, are you eating your own? Let me see your mouth. Have you finished? It's still in your mouth. It's a lie. You're not done. Mama, eat. It might end up being the first to finish. Oh my, your brother. It's still in your mouth. Mama, eat them. So you're still having it in your mouth. Let me see. It's still in your mouth. Mama, have you finished your own? It's still remaining though. Who wants to win this 1,000 naira?
I will win.
You win. The biscuit is still in your mouth. See, Mama is about to finish her. Mama, I win. Mama, win.
I win.
Mama, it's right. Wait, see, open your mouth. Shift. Mama, finish it. Santo, go back. Let me see your mouth. Mama, let me see your mouth. You put finish at the center. Mama, take your own, Janet. Mama, won. Clap for Mama. Clap for
me.
Clap for Santo. Clap for Santo. Small is still holding his own. Turn around. Mama, turn around. Good, turn again. Mommy, turn. Turn around. Mama, turn around now. Be turning. Good job, Mama. Good job, Mama. To hurt me, to hurt me.